Hey lovies, welcome back to another delicious and simple recipe. And on today's recipe, I'm going to show you how I use my potato starch flour to make my starch swallow, which is also known as EGUSI. So guys, let's get started with this recipe. So at this moment, I'm going to go ahead and add in 2 cups of potato starch flour, which is equivalent to 250 grams of my potato starch flour. And I'll go ahead and add in just a pinch of salt, which is optional, but I love adding salt to my starch swallow. And to my 2 cups of potato starch flour, I'm going to be using 1500 ml of water, which is also equivalent to 1.5 liters of water. So you want to make sure you mix this properly. You don't want the bottom to have all the starch while the water is at the top. You want to make sure you use your stick to mix it up properly. And at this point, I will go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of my palm oil, which is the oil that came out from my Banga soup. If you've not seen the recipe to my Banga soup, I will drop the link on the description box so you can use it if you want to make some nice delicious Banga soup. So guys, at this moment, you can see that I'm using my stick to give this mixture a nice stir, and my fire is on a medium heat. So guys, one thing in mind, you have to know that with this mixture, you can't leave it for not even 20 seconds. You have to make sure you use your stick to give it a nice stir continuously until you start noticing the mixture is getting a bit thick. So at this moment, I will keep on stirring it the way you can see here, the way I'm doing it. I'm just going to keep on stirring it while my fire is still on a medium heat. And in about few minutes later, you will start noticing the mixture is getting a bit thick. At this moment, all you have to do is to use one of your hands to get hold of the pot and use the other hand to make sure you stir it up nicely so this mixture will not develop lumps and it will come out nice. So guys, right here you can see my starch swallow is forming up nicely. You can see this potato starch flour is doing the job. It looks really like the cassava starch that you can get in Nigeria to make your EGUSI. There is no difference in the both. The only difference is for you to get the mixture right so it will come out nice. So guys, I'm going to keep on stirring this for about 5 to 10 minutes so it will get cooked properly. Yeah, thank you very much for watching this recipe. I hope you find it very helpful. And I'm going to drop the measurements of the flour and the water used in on this recipe. Thank you very much, guys, for all your love. So, guys, if you did find this recipe helpful, please don't forget to hit on that like button. And also, if you're new to the red channel, please don't forget to help me to click on that red subscribe button. Click on the bell icon that goes with it. So that way you have to know that with this mixture, you can't leave it for not even 20 seconds. You have to make sure you don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up continuously until you start noticing the Thank you so much, guys. Till I see you again on my next recipe. So guys, I'm going to keep on stirring it until I achieve that light and nice touch that I want. So at this moment, the more you stir it, the more the way you can see here, the way I'm doing it, and I'm just going to keep on stirring it while my fire is still on a medium heat. And in about few minutes later, you will start noticing the mixture is getting a bit thick. So at this moment, all you have to do is to use one of your hands to get hold of the pot and use the other hand to make sure you stir it up nicely so so this
plastic wrap
mixture will
bag
not develop
when
lumps
it's
and
cold.
it will
Thank you
come
so
out
much,
nice.
guys.
And see you on my next recipe. You have a lovely day. You have a beautiful day. Bye bye.